हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नीट 2026 में जो क्वेश्चन आया था बेस्ड ऑन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स, हाउ सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम, इनके हिसाब से कैसे आंसर को हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। देखो, ईच साइड ऑफ ए मेटालिक क्यूब हैविंग द मास 5.580 kg is measured to be 9.6 centimeter. Keeping on the significant figures in view, the density of the material of the cube can be best expressed as x into 10 to the power 3 kg. Where should the value of x? हमको x का वैल्यू का एग्जैक्ट इन कीपिंग इन व्यू ऑफ द सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स हमको निकालना पड़ेगा। x का वैल्यू क्या है? सो रो इज इक्वल टू मास बाय वॉल्यूम. So mass is 5.580 kg divided by volume is length of the since the length of the cube is 9.0 centimeter. So this is 9.0 centimeter cube. You just find out its value. So that is 5.80 divided by 729 10 to minus 6 meter cube. This is 0.0076543t. Approximately that 10 to 6 kg per meter. Okay. So in this case, when this is the application of the significant figures while applying in the division. See, during the division, so the answers should be expressed in the terms of least significant figures. Answers should be expressed in the terms of least significant figures. Least significant figures में हमको express करना पड़ेगा. So in this case, the significant figures is 5.580. इसका सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर कितना है? 1 2 3 4 4 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर. सो 9.0 सेंटीमीटर में सिग्निफिकेंट 2 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स है. सो आंसर हमको निकालना पड़ेगा इन टर्म्स ऑफ 2 सिग्निफिकेंट डिजिट्स. सो दिस कैन बी बेस्ट एक्सप्रेस्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ m into 10 to k. While expressing the significant figures, the number must be expressed in terms of m into 10 to the power k form, and m should be 1 is less than 10, and k is an integer. This is the integer. So in this case, we have to express in terms of 2 significant digits. This is the 4 significant digit on the numerator, denominator is 2 significant digits. So answer should be expressed in terms of 2 significant digits. So in this case, so 7.6. So we have to express in terms of 2 significant digits. So after the 2 significant, you just see this is 4 5. Since we have to express in terms of 2 significant digits, you just see the after that digit. 6 after में क्या है? 5 है. If it is less than 5, then remain as such. If it is greater than 5, this number should be increased by 1. If it is equal to 5, in just of the number, according to ancient rule में दिया है क्या है? If ancient में लिखा है, or how to rounding of these significant figures, a rounding of the number into now the number of digits, how it can be rounded. You just see ancient में लिखा है, if it is the digits which is to be rounded. Next one, if it is greater than 5, the digit to be rounded will be increased by 1. If it is digit to be rounded, the next one is less than 5, it remain unchanged. And if it is equal to 5, so 7, तो हमको दोनों 2 significant digit में आंसर निकालना पड़ेगा. You just see the next digit is equal. If it is equal to 5, you just see the digit. If it is 7, then remain as such. If it is odd, it is increased by 1. एनसीईआरटी में लिखा है. According to एनसीईआरटी हिसाब से आंसर क्या है? So if it is equal to 5, the digit which is to be the 2 digit, we have to express the two digits. So just next one is if it is 5, the digit to be rounded. If it is even, it will remain as such. So एनसीईआरटी हिसाब से इनकी जो आंसर दिया है, that is why I have explained this answer, that is equal to 7.6. Thank you very much.